Layered chapati with onion flavor. These are the ingredients: 3 cups chapati flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoon ghee, 1 cup of water, rapeseed oil. Let's go ahead to the procedures. First, ilagay ang 3 cups of flour sa isang mixing bowl. I actually used chapati flour, but you can also use plain flour. Next, nilagay ko yung melted ghee, 3 tablespoons of it. It would give you a butter-like flavor and a very good smell. Then I added some salt. And after that, I poured a cup of water. Now, we don't want it to be soggy, so wag nyo nang dagdagan ng tubig. I'm gonna use the mixer machine to combine all the ingredients, but of course, you can also use your hands to make a dough. It's just super sticky sa umpisa. I let it mix up all together for like 3 minutes. And after that, nilagay ko na yung onion, which will give us a sweet and tasty flavor. Then I let the machine do the work. Leave it mixing for 10 minutes. Kung makikita nyo, buo na yung dough. So, alisin na natin siya sa mixing bowl. So, dito pa lang ako magmamasa gamit ang kamay kasi hindi na siya super sticky. Buo na siya. Naglagay lang ako ng a little bit of flour para hindi matuyo yung dough. And then I continued doing the dough with my hands. I don't know why, but it gives us a better taste kapag gumagawa tayo ng dough using our hands. It's actually like magic. So, continue lang yung pagmasa. Give it at least 5 minutes. Now, the dough is ready. Again, I sprinkled a little bit of flour on the surface. Then, nilagay ko na yung dough. Now, we're gonna use our rolling pin to roll out the dough. It's just easy. You're just gonna roll it over the dough with an even pressure. And turn the dough over and around and roll again. Yung nilagay nating flour is to prevent the dough from sticking on the rolling pin. After that, I spread the ghee over the dough. I used a melted ghee, but it's much better kapag hindi siya melted at this point. There's other alternatives that you can use. If you don't have ghee, you can use butter or margarine. So, pagkatapos kong applyan lahat, I roll the dough to the opposite corner. And so we form it into one long piece of dough. You can actually make it even longer. And then I cut it into pieces, which I made 8 sections. And then I covered it with some piece of cloth. Then I left it for 30 minutes. After you let them rest, you take a piece and start rolling. Flip it over and roll again, and then do the same with the rest. I am frying it in a chapati maker, but you can also use a frying pan on a low to medium heat. I used rapeseed oil. Nilagyan ko siya sa taas and then sa ilalim. You can use butter or margarine just to make it softer and to prevent it from drying.